everyone. I got a quick tip for you. You ever try to get a mirror on a dresser by yourself? So you got to hold it up in the back, right? 2 hands. And then you got to screw each post when you attach it onto the back of the dresser. Pretty impossible. Here, let me show you what I did. Okay, so here's the back of the dresser. I measured across how far I needed it, and I drew a line on here so it was even, right? Then I put a board on top of a towel for a spacer, so I have the mirror off of the dresser. Put the board in here, put a towel on top, clamped this on. Let me show you. Just like that. So when I rested the mirror, got all my stuff ready, drill on my table. So when I rested the mirror on here, all I had to do was drill that right in. And this helped. So I had one hand on the mirror and one hand on the drill. And then just take this off. Lift this up, it comes right out. Yeah. Put your dresser drawer back in. And voila! You got it on there. If you want some more tips and tricks, let me know. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a blessed day. We'll see you guys in the next video.